Hey my loves, what is up? It's that time of the month, not that time of the month, that time of the month, Ipsy. So I got my Ipsy, I think just yesterday, and I live in Canada, so in Canadian dollars I pay around $21, $22. So yeah, it's the beauty subscription. I can't talk today. It's the beauty subscription that I get every month, open here on camera and share with you guys what I got. I didn't open it yet, so I have no idea what I have. Before I start this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to become part of the fam here on the channel. Had some trouble opening it. Here we go. This is what I got. It looks very Valentine themed, but that's the bag. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. One of my favorite bags that I've gotten. I love anything with lace. I got a mascara, curling mascara by Pink Pewter Collection. It's an extreme voluminous extender. Never heard of this brand, but love trying out new mascaras. So I'll give that one a whirl. Next, I got something by Can't talk today. Sand and Sky by Brilliant Skin. Detoxify and Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Made in Australia, and it has vitamin A. Next, by Beauty Basics, a foiled eyeshadow in the color Taffy. There's some weird glue on the packaging, but it's crazy because the eyeshadow is in this like marble looking hard thing. But so yeah, just that's the color, Sweet Taffy. Not really a color I use a lot, and it comes in this packaging. So far I'm not really impressed. Something by Clinique, a brand that I like. Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator gel cream. So I really like Clinique. This is for all skin types. I think I've used the Moisture Surge eye cream and it was amazing, so this will be great to try out. Clinique skin products are amazing. And the last thing is a makeup brush by Farrah Brushes, and this is a large angled contour brush. It's a pretty brush, but I just don't know, like feeling the bristles, if it's a good brush. We'll see, but it is really pretty, like the purple and the gold. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Ipsy this month. I was kind of a little disappointed. I really like getting stuff from, you know, really big popular brands. The only brand that I knew out of this one was Clinique. And last month, if I remember correctly, I don't think there was any big brands except for something from the Balm Cosmetics. I wasn't too happy about the eyeshadow. The mascara seems cool, even though it's not a brand that I know of. I'm up for trying that out, and I'm happy with the Clinique thing. So we'll see. I'm still gonna keep on this beauty subscription. It's the only one I have currently. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks guys, bye. XOXO. Mwah.